This purple pill hack can work way better than those weird salt tricks. If you're tired of trying things that don't work, just listen to this video.
A lot of you might have seen this already, but if you haven't, you need to hear this. There's this new breakthrough from a top researcher, a guy who's worked with Harvard scientists. And what he discovered literally changes everything we knew about fat loss. He studied thousands of people who were able to lose weight without crash diets, gym routines, or any of the usual stuff. And the one thing they all had in common, they were all using this purple peel tonic that taps into fat-burning cells we thought were gone for good. Basically, it works by reactivating these dormant cells in your body that actually vaporize fat. And here's the kicker. It takes just seconds to do it every night. I know it sounds insane. And trust me, I'm not usually into trendy stuff like this either, but I decided to try it and wow. It's like my body just started working the way it's supposed to. So if you've been stuck or frustrated and nothing else has worked, you have to see this. I'm going to drop a link to the video in the description and in the comments. It's quick, it's easy, and the results are honestly kind of nuts. Just check it out.